Hello everyone, our video tutorial today will focus on how to gain or increase your watch time by doing these simple steps and strategy that no one is talking here in YT. Since it is a part of YT, developed by YT, and it is very familiar to everyone. I am sure and confident as long we use this function, or we call it magic tool, in a correct way, we will benefit and succeed, especially for a small YouTuber like us. This is your host once again, Wins and Aids Monkey at your service. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell so you will be notified in our future video uploads. But before we start, let me do our routine. Shout out to Movin, Lester Castillo, Maria Socorro G. Parado, Mixed Vibes, Happy Battle TV, Eve Calma's Kitchen. The tool that I was referring to is what we called the playlist. A playlist is a collection of videos that can be viewed sequentially and shared with other users. The same video can be included in multiple playlists. Why we need to have a playlist? The answer is, this will help us to organize our videos depending on the topic or theme. And why it is so important? Playlist is one of the powerful tools created by YouTube, in the sense that viewers will easily find your videos and understand the content of video creators on what really they are trying to express. Like for example, if you have 50 videos and you have different themes or content, if I am a viewer, in order not to spend much more time to research or to search, it will be easy for me to understand what your channel is offering for me to watch. At this point of time, where the magic begin is, if you have a playlist and it consists of 10 to 20 videos, the viewer will click the playlist and the videos will start playing continuously after the next videos without clicking it. Once the viewer will start watching your playlist, then sit back and relax, you will gain and boost your watch time unexpectedly. Imagine if only one viewer will watch one playlist consisting 10 to 20 videos. That is why I call it a magic tool. Not only that, sharing multiple videos is not a headache anymore for the creators. Once you have a playlist with multiple or compiled videos, you can share your playlist straight to your friends and families or in all social media by just one URL or link. That is why playlist is so important in order to grow your channel here in YouTube. And my personal question is, why other YouTubers are not discussing about this? I smell something. Now, the next step is to create our own playlist. Let's go guys. Click Customize Channel. Click Playlist. Click New Playlist and create your playlist title. In choosing playlist title, choose a title which is relevant to your videos. Once you're done with your playlist title, click Create. Next, click Edit. Click Add Videos. Click your YouTube videos. Select your video you want to add in your playlist. You can add videos individually. Guys, you can add multiple videos by pressing the control button of your keyboard while selecting your videos you need to add. Just follow the instruction on your screen. The next tip and trick that I want to share with you guys, in case you want to move one of your video to the top or bottom of your playlist, just follow the instruction on your screen. If you want to rename the title of the playlist, tap or double click the current name and you can start changing the title of the playlist the way you want. And guys, this is the moment of truth. If you would like to share your playlist, you can do it right here, right now. Just click the share button and copy the URL or link, and you can share to your friends, family, and any of your social media accounts you have, as long it is complying the YouTube guidelines. Hello everyone, congratulations, and you have created your video playlist successfully. Now you can click your playlist. You will see the playlist you have created. You can try and check your playlist so you will understand how it works. Guys, as you can see, in just one click your video will play after another video. The playlist will stop only in two things. Number one, if the viewer doesn't want to continue watching. Or number two, if it reached to the last of the video of the playlist. And I will show you how to delete your playlist in a simple way. Just follow the instruction on your screen. Select the playlist you prefer to delete. Click Edit. Select the three dots on the top right side. Click Delete and confirm. But guys, the last tip and trick that I want to share with you, deleting your playlist is a big no. Once you have created your playlist and you started sharing it, do not delete it, because it will delete all the analytics, watch time, and views which already accumulated by the playlist metadata. That is a very strong tips and tricks, guys. Hope you like it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. This is your host once again, Winds and Eats Mangkit at your service. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you really like this video. Also hit that notification bell so you will be notified in our future video uploads. Hello everyone, lastly, if you have any doubts and questions, don't hesitate to send us your message. Our social media accounts, link, Facebook channel and Instagram can be found in our YouTube channel page. We will answer your question as soon as we can. Thank you very much and mabuhay kayong lahat.